subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be making a smothered okra with shrimp and beef sausage. So you don't want to miss this one. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so for this I have my crushed okra, I have my red onions and my bell pepper, I have my shrimp as well as my sausage. I'm going to be using a half a can of this crushed tomatoes, my Creole seasoning, and as always my complete padilla. Next, I'm going to add in my sausage. Let this cook down for a nice 10 minutes. And I'll be back to show you the progress. Now in the meantime, I have my shrimp here with the padilla. I'm going to be adding just a little bit more of the Cajun to the shrimp. And I'm going to be getting this ready for the next step. I have some jasmine rice coming along here. Look at that. Really nice fluffy rice because you're going to want to eat this over the rice. There it is. I just opened up the can of Hunt's. So I'm going to be adding this to my pot. I'm going to go ahead and add in about 2 big heaps of the tomato. I'm going to stir this in with the goodness. And before I add the shrimps to this, because the shrimp is going to add it last, I'm gonna let this cook down a little bit more and then add the shrimps in. Stay tuned for the progress. Alright guys, I just came to kind of check and see how it's coming along. As you can see, everything is nicely coming together. Okay, just a few more minutes. Let it cover down just for a little bit until the okra kind of get just a little bit tender. And then I'm going to add in the shrimp. In the meantime, let me do a little taste testing. Amazing. It has just the right kick. It has enough Cajun in there. Now, it don't need nothing else. So, stay tuned. I'm going to add in the shrimp. Alright guys, it's about that time. I'm going to be adding in my lump shrimps. But now, I'm going to put this on a low heat and just let the shrimp do its thing. It's going to sprinkle water too also in there. And then when you see it's going to be like a nice orangey color, you know it's finished. Alright guys. Stay tuned for the rest. Alright guys, we are back in the house. This is looking, oh my goodness, this is looking amazing. It's finally coming up to an end. Wow. And all the okra is from my garden. This is all done. This is all finished. You want to make sure that the shrimp is like a nice orange color, like this. And you can just go ahead and shut it off now. The heat will basically finish it up, but this is done. Yes, this is all finished. So I'm going to just go ahead and shut it off. And like I said, you can eat this in a bowl if you like, or I prefer to have it over some jasmine rice, which I'm going to show you in a minute, so stay tuned. That's a goodness. There you go, guys. There you have it. Take some more, girl. Take some more. Hope you guys like, comment, and share.